we are FS-40 Fan Factory since 2013. Today, I want to show you the remote control stand fan FS-40-858R. Modern design and strong tie screw protects baby's finger from the injury. This is the left side of the fan. Equipped with LED display and a remote control. 3 speeds with 7.5-hour timer. Speed 1, Speed 2, and Speed 3. Wide angle oscillation from right to left. Up and down. Adjustable height. Enjoy food everywhere. Welcome to contact us FS-40 Fan Factory for more details and price discounts.